Hello friends, welcome to Gate Termination. In this video I will be solving the question of Gate 2020. So in this question you have to find out the absolute value of percentage change required in the initial capacitor voltage. So let's begin. This question we are having a 10 volt source, a switch in series with a resistor as well as a capacitor. The switch is closed at t is equal to 0. It is given that Vc of t is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0.4 tau, where tau is the time constant. And we need to find out the value of initial capacitor voltage when Vc of t will be equal to 0 at t is equal to 0.2 tau. So this is the required condition. Now we know that the general equation of voltage across a capacitor is Vc of t is equal to Vc of infinity minus Vc of infinity minus Vc of 0 into e raised to minus t upon tau. Here Vc of infinity will be equal to 10 volts since the capacitor will charge up to the supply voltage, which is 10 volts. Hence Vc of infinity is equal to 10 volts. Therefore 0 will be equal to 10 minus bracket 10 minus Vc of 0 into e raised to minus 0.4 tau divided by tau. Hence 10 is equal to 10 minus Vc of 0 into e raised to minus 0.4. Therefore 10 minus Vc of 0 will be equal to 10 e raised to 0.4. Hence Vc of 0 will be equal to 10 minus 10 e raised to 0.4, and the value of Vc of 0 turns out to be minus 4.918 volts. Now again Vc of t is 0, but this time the initial capacitor voltage will be Vc dash of 0. Therefore 0 is equal to 10 minus bracket 10 minus Vc dash of 0 e raised to minus 0.2 tau divided by tau. Thus we will get the value of Vc dash of 0, which is equal to 10 minus 10 into e raised to 0.2, which turns out to be minus 2.214 volts. Now the absolute percentage change will be equal to Vc of 0 minus Vc dash of 0 divided by Vc of 0 into 100. Which is equal to minus 4.918 minus of 2.214 divided by minus 4.918 into 100, which turns out to be 54.98%. Hence this is the change required in the initial capacitor voltage.